In this video, we're going to see if we can compute what 3 divided by 0.75 is equal to. And I'll give you a little bit of a hint before I tell you to pause the video. So let's imagine 3 holes right over here. And what if we were to think of these 3 holes, these 3 ones, and what if we were to think about them in terms of hundredths? Well, then we could, once we express these as hundredths, we could say, well, how many groups of 75 hundredths can we divide this into? How many equal groups of 75 hundredths? And to help you think about that, here's a little bit of a visualization where 3 is divided into equal groups of 75 hundredths. So pause this video and use this little visual here as a big hint to figure out what 3 divided by 75 hundredths is. All right, now let's do it together. So as I said, we started with 3 ones, or 3 holes, however you want to think about it. And you could divide division by 75 hundredths as saying, well, how many equal groups of 75 hundredths can you divide these 3 holes into? And so we thought about these 3 holes in terms of hundredths. And the way it's been color-coded, it actually has already been divided into 4 equal groups of 75 hundredths. You can count these. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then 5 hundredths. So this right over here, this is one group of 75 hundredths. And then in green, you have another group of 75 hundredths. So you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then 75. So that right over, let me just in a color I can see. This right over here is our second group. This is our first group right over there. And then that's our third group. These are all equal groups of 75 hundredths. And that's our fourth equal group of 75 hundredths in the green again. So how many equal groups of 75 hundredths can you divide 3 holes into? Well, clearly it is equal to 4.